Hi, I have been with this firm around 8 months now, and it has been an enriching experience as professionally as well as personally also. It's working with the firm has been challenging because you need to bring certain amount of loyalty and dignity to respect the workplace. Thank you.
My experience with this firm is similar to one's experience with their own family. It gave birth to a new individual in me, it encouraged me to explore new horizons, and it nurtured my capabilities to an extent which I was unaware of. Today, I am a much better person after joining here, and I am confident that my learnings here would help me achieve my goals and take me a long way in my career.
Moving from a well-settled job and taking up a new challenge wasn't an easy decision to make. Standing at a crossroad of a career then, I finally decided to move ahead with the new offer. End of the day, a change is always welcome. But the very thought of a new place, a new job, new people, and especially a new boss was really taxing. I had mixed emotions on the first day of the joining, but then gradually as I met my team, my new boss, I could sense my anxieties finally settling down. It's been a 9 months journey so far, and things definitely look exciting. I do look forward to a delightful and a long association with the firm.
My relationship with Deloitte started almost a year back. I had done my summer internship here. During those 2 months as a summer intern, my colleagues helped me greatly in wrapping up the project on time. So when given an offer during final placement, I jumped at the idea of joining this firm. I spoke to a few of my seniors who had joined this firm in the previous year. They all advised me that this firm was a fantastic place to begin my career with. This idea has been further reinforced in the first 2 months here. As part of the onboarding process, I was sent for the Strategy and Operations Fundamental Training Program. That training program has helped me immensely in being a better professional and a better person.
It's been a wonderful journey in this firm for last 2 years. The firm has helped me immensely in my journey from a student to a responsible profession. Today, I am more responsive and proactive. But I have also learned to juxtapose from my seniors the professionalism and emotion. Hence, if I get reprimanded by my seniors for my mistakes, the next moment I will join them in the pizza party with a huge smile on my face.
I still remember the time, sometime last year when I returned to India from the US after completing my higher studies, and I was actively looking for a job. Then one fine day I got a call for an interview from this firm, and they for a vacancy they had, and I still remember I had 2-3 rounds of the interview, and I was also asked to present a case study. I spent almost 2 nights over a weekend to complete that, and I was beginning to realize how difficult it was to get through a big firm like this. But finally my efforts were rewarded. The offer letter was rolled out soon, and it was a very emotional moment at that time, because since I was really very much into looking for a job, and since that time it has been a great journey, and I'm enjoying myself.
It's been close to 4 years in the firm, and there are loads to talk about. The firm has given me a plethora of opportunities that has helped me grow professionally as well as personally. The best part of being with this firm is that my talent was given due recognition, and I got promoted to the next level within a short span of time. The seniors here are really approachable, and they help me groom to face new challenges with sheer confidence. Impact Day is another experience that is very close to my heart. This is the firm's initiative towards corporate social responsibility. Here we get an entire day to spend with the underprivileged ones and get a chance to contribute to the society. This has left an indelible impact on my mind, knowing that even I can do my bit in spite of the busy and hectic schedule that we have.
Before joining this firm, I was a little apprehensive whether I would be able to live up to my job responsibilities, as I had no prior experience in the field I was about to join. However, once I joined Deloitte, I was given regular training and there was constant support of my senior, which made my job easier.
I still remember the day I joined the firm. The very first week I was involved in a very crucial assignment and was asked to assist my manager. I was really scared, tensed, because I had to prove myself as per the standard of the Big Four firm. I really worked hard and successfully. We finished the assignment successfully within the stipulated time. I was also appreciated by my seniors, my managers. I really like to thank all my teammates, my manager, for providing me their support during my learning phase.
Experience of 3 years and 10 months so far has been a blend of good and bad. But at every step, I have felt the value of the brand. I joined the firm as a senior consultant, and today I'm a manager. In the process, I've seen a lot of space available for exploring the undiscovered skills. And I've seen myself working beyond the boundaries of any level-specific responsibilities. I feel good to have been a part of this growing firm. I believe the firm values its human capital the most and promotes a culture of excellent work-life balance. An experience close to my heart was recently when I was blessed with a child, and the firm supported me in every possible way. To summarize, you can grow at both personal as well as professional front if you're associated with this firm. And I personally eagerly look forward to growing further, being an integral part of this firm.